Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, you can probably see from the title, I am so excited for this collection. Black Raven Beads very recently launched their Alice in Wonderland collection. I have been an Alice in Wonderland fan since I was a little girl. I love Alice in Wonderland. I love Alice's Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. I love Disney's Alice in Wonderland. It's always just been a story that I just found so fun and whimsical and fantastical. It makes me laugh, and to this day, I still love it. Both of my dogs, if you didn't know, they're both named after characters in Alice in Wonderland. So I have Alice, my rescue dog, and then I also have Dinah, my rescue dog. And basically, I named them after the Wonderland theme because I really wanted Canada to be their Wonderland. They're both rescues from Korea with really traumatic starts to their lives, and I just wanted Canada to be their place where they could adventure and explore. And honestly, they really have both lived up to their names. They're so sweet. So anyway, whenever there's an Alice in Wonderland collection that comes out, I get so excited because not only does it make me think of my childhood and just my love of like Alice in Wonderland and Lewis Carroll, it also makes me think of my two dogs. So I was so excited and so honored when Black Raven Beads reached out and asked me if I would be willing to share a look at their new collection with all of you. And I was like, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. So a huge thank you to the wonderful team over at Black Raven Beads. Thank you so much for this opportunity to get to review these beads and see them and style with them. I'm so excited. I've just seen what they posted online. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So huge thank you to them, but also a huge thank you to this community. I would not have these opportunities without you. So thank you so, so much. So anyway, without further ado, make sure, of course, to grab a delicious cup of tea. This tea I'm drinking is ceremonial matcha. It's from Paragon Tea Room. It's so good. It's actually their ginger ceremonial matcha. Extra health benefits with the ginger. So good. And I'm using this mug that my friend Natalie made for me. I feel like it has kind of like a Wonderland kind of vibe with like the blues. It's so pretty and floral. I do have Alice in Wonderland mugs. This one I just thought was so pretty. And I'm also wearing this dress, by the way. It's like a butterfly whimsical dress. This was actually done by, I believe it was Lauren Conrad for Kohl's. When this, I think it was the second movie that came out, they did a whole like Alice in Wonderland like collection theme, and this is one of their dresses from it. It's just so whimsical and fun. So in honor of the Alice in Wonderland collection, I decided to kind of theme out with my dress. So here's a little look at that. And basically virtual cheers. Here we go. And let's get started with today's video. All right, so here is a quick look at the beautiful box art. I love the limited edition packaging that Black Raven Beads done. It's also very eco-friendly too. It's all done with paper, so it's very safe and eco. So if you don't want to keep it, it's very recyclable and everything like that, which I love. And as you can see, you can definitely spot like the little references to Alice in Wonderland with the spades, the hearts, the diamonds, all of that. And on the top it says Black Raven Beads slide into Wonderland with the collector's set. Okay, so let's open the box up. I'm so excited to see inside. So here we have a little note. It says thank you. I love that. And then a little information about Black Raven Beads on the back. And then here, I'm gonna lift this. Oh my gosh, we have all the beads inside. I'm gonna come up a little closer. Can you guys see that? Oh my goodness. And we have 7 beads here. If you guys can see that, we're gonna be looking at in the Wonderland collection. Oh my gosh, look at the teapot. Sorry, you guys already started. The little teapot. Oh my gosh, and the little cups. Oh, little teacups. And this has to be the Mad Hatter hat. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. It has a little teacup at the top. This is Alice in the house. Oh my goodness, she looks cute. Oh my gosh, and her little hands. You guys can't even see. I'm going to be totally zooming up in just a second. I'm just like, this is cool. What is this one? Eat me. Oh my gosh, drink me on the other side. Oh guys, I'm so excited here. And of course, look who it is. I don't know if you guys can spot it right here. I guess like the gray is like hiding it here. Let me hold it. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go zoom on in and take a closer look at each of the beautiful beads in this collection. I'm so excited. Let's get started. Here is a look at the Slide into Wonderland charms from Black Raven Beads. Black Raven Beads wants to inspire us to explore new possibilities, embrace our uniqueness, and approach life like Alice with wonder and curiosity. Each of these sterling silver beads are so beautifully detailed, and they're a lovely opportunity for discovery and magic, just like in Wonderland. Here's a quick look at the back of the beads as well as all of them paired together in motion, in movement, so you can kind of compare sizing, how they look together, and how they might possibly look on a bracelet. Now let's head into the first bead, which is completely adorable. It makes me think of the Mad Tea Party. It is called the Teatime Charm Bead. Here's what Black Raven Beads has to say about this bead. Transport yourselves to the Mad Hatter's Tea Party with our bead featuring 4 stacked teacups, celebrating the joy of whimsical gatherings. Even on the busiest days, pause, sip, and savor the moment. Can you spot the cute little spoon inside the teacup? I think that detail is so adorable. This is such a beautiful bead. I am a tea lover, as you all know, on top of loving Alice in Wonderland, so I just think it's adorable. You can also find the Black Raven Beads logo on the bottom of the teacups, and then here's another look at the bead in movement, so you can capture all the little details. It is so cute, and I love the little bottom detail of the saucer. It's adorable. The next bead is called the Drink Me Potion Charm. Embrace Alice's adventurous spirit with the potion bottle bead in Magical Cakes Drink Me and Eat Me. Embrace change and transformation. Just as Alice's potion opened new doors, let go of fear and explore new possibilities. This bead is so unique. It's also like a really detailed bead. There's so many little details on it that remind me of the book. You can also spot the Black Raven Beads logo here below the Eat Me, which I love. I always love searching for their logo, by the way. It's really fun to see where they put it. It's a very whimsical bead and very unique. I haven't seen one like this before. There's been lots of different Alice in Wonderland collections, and I like how this one just combines a lot of different details in it. Up next, we have the Mad Hatter Hat Charm Bead. I cannot get enough of Mad Hatter charms. Like, this is so cool, and I love how there's a little teacup. Up at the top, you can see a little stopwatch on it. There's a spoon, lots of fun little details, even little pins on it. It is so cute. I love it. You also can see a little price tag as well. Black Raven Bead says, embrace your uniqueness, for they make you remarkable, just like the Mad Hatter's hat. It is just so cute, you guys. I also love where you can spot the little logo again on the brim of the hat and the little feather detail. I almost forgot to mention that. Just so many cute details on here. It's also very unique. I think it would be fun to wear this like on your bracelet, but also on a necklace too. I just think it's so fun. And just like this beautiful, like sterling silver, the quality of it, it just really shines. It has a nice weight to it. Here is a look at the bead in movement again, so you can see it catching the light. And the details on this are just so amazing, as I said. Like, I think, you know how sometimes like your beads will flip or move on a bracelet? What I love about this is that you could just appreciate it at every little angle of it. It's so cute. Up next is a bead I love, 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 love so much. It just takes me right back into the book or the Disney animated film. Like, it is adorable. This is called the Alice in the House Charm Bead. Relive Alice's whimsical growth spurt in the White Rabbit's house with a bead that encapsulates the magic and unpredictability of Wonderland. In the unpredictability of Wonderland, Alice teaches us that embracing change is the key to unlocking new adventures. Now, how adorable are all the details on here? You can spot the logo of the Black Raven Beads down on the bottom. You can see a little cobblestone detailing on the sides and the bottom of it. Again, every angle, there's something to appreciate. The back has little windows, but you can see there. And then on the front, of course, Alice's face and her arms outside of the house trying to figure out what she's going to do and how to get out of this house. It's so adorable. Next, we of course to go with the teacups, we have the teapot. It is called the Teatime Teapot Charm Bead. Black Raven Bead says this bead pays homage to the Mad Hatter's iconic tea service. Remember to share kindness and compassion wherever you go, as a teapot pours warmth and comfort. This is very whimsical. It makes me think of the movie where he's pouring Alice some tea and she never really ends up getting any tea. It's such a sweet bead. I love the little tea spout on it, the lid. There's so many sweet details on here, and it definitely complements the tea time cups. And oh, it's just so, so cute. Here's a little look at it on the side here. As you can see the little details. It's just so cute. It's little petite, and then on the bottom, did you see the little detail? You just think of everything. I love beads that have details like, all over, all around them. They're so nice, and I love collecting tea beads, so I'm very excited to have these in my collection. They're so cute. Now, the last bead, you guys, is absolutely adorable too. It is of the caterpillar, and the face detailing on here is amazing. I definitely zoom in so you guys can get a really nice close look, because I think in photos when you see this, you just don't, I didn't realize how adorable this was until I started filming and looking at it. It is so cute. The bead is called the Caterpillar Charm Bead. Black Raven Beads describes this as delves into the wisdom and mystery of Wonderland with the bead depicting the caterpillar lounging on a mushroom, encouraging self-reflection and curiosity. Like the caterpillar's transformation journey, embrace the seasons of change with patience and grace. So he is so cute. I love the mushroom detailing. You can see also little tiny little mushrooms surrounding him. The detail, like I mentioned, of him is just so cute. I love his little nose and little eye detailing. And the little details on the bottom of the mushroom. It almost looks like a bed with how they've done it, which is really clever and really, really cute. Of course, he has his little hookah there, and he's just so cute. The bottom, you can see little details of the ground and some stones there as well. And it is just such a fun bead. Now here's one more look at it on its own, just in movement, so you can see how he's just kind of resting peacefully. The last bead here is so amazing. I've always wanted to have a card bead from the movie. It makes me think of Alice in Wonderland, 100% the animated film. I love this bead. Now it is called the Card Soldier Charm Bead. Black Raven Bead says that this bead reflects the loyalty and playfulness of Wonderland card soldiers. Stay true to your values and commitments. Like the steadfast card soldiers, loyalty is the mark of a noble heart. So as you can see, the front and back are different. It is so cute. So you kind of pretend you have two in one. It is so clever. I'm actually really wanting to wear this on a necklace. It looks so good on the bracelet too. It's almost like a dangle. I am going to share a look how the bracelet, how the charms look on a bracelet in just a moment, but it's really cool. I just love the shape. It's so unique, and I think it'll make a beautiful pendant too. Haven't worn it as a pendant yet as I am recording this, but very excited to try that out. He also just looks so cute on the bracelet too though, and I love how he moves on it. Now here is a look at all the beads on my Black Raven Beads bracelet. I used the little fairy class. I thought it went with the Wonderland theme, and I love how they all look together. I definitely want to add some glass beads to this design. If you have any ideas of what, please let me know down below. It looks so cool. All the beads really stand out and pop out. They're very unique. They're not small at all, so you're getting really detailed and a really beautiful size beads on here. They also have this available in a collector set, so the one that you saw, but you can also purchase these beads individually as well. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing a closer look at the new Alice in Wonderland collection from Black Raven Beads. Again, a huge thank you over to Black Raven Beads and the wonderful team there for giving me this lovely honor and opportunity to look at this collection in real life. I am so in love with it. I'm blown away, and each of these pieces I am going to treasure forever. They're so wonderful, and the quality of the sterling silver is so detailed. It's so beautiful. It's just a lovely weight to it. It's just phenomenal. This is such a beautiful set for any Alice in Wonderland collector or fairy tale lover. I'd love to know if you guys have a favorite bead from the collection. Please let me know down below. I'm having, of course, a really hard time. I feel like there's so many that are just so perfect, and they totally make me think of the Lewis Carroll version of Alice in Wonderland, which I just love. It's just wonderful. One of my fun courses I took my first semester of university was all about children's books, and we got to read Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, which I was so thrilled about. I've read that book so many times, and I had so much fun sharing all the, the hidden meanings and all that stuff with everybody. And it was wonderful. So this also kind of gives me a nod to that course. It was totally a course that was designed for someone like me, because I absolutely adore children's books. I think they're so wonderful, so well done. And if you didn't know this, I actually used to work at a library back when I was in high school. So it gives me a little nod to that as well. So very excited about this collection, and Would love to know your guys' thoughts on it. So please let me know down below in the comments section. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe if you'd like to see some more charming, fun adventures with me, with jewelry, with my dogs, tea, lots of different stuff going on over here, especially Disney too. I love Disney as well. But anyway, wishing you all a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now, everyone.